Welcome to Fatman Fishing. Today we went out to Canoe Creek because we haven't been out in a while, and I took RJ out. So RJ got married, so he got the exclusive hoodie of Fatman Fishing, the first one. So that was a little wedding present from him for being a loyal subscriber. We caught some fish. We didn't catch as many as we were hoping, but we had a good time and enjoyed it. And we didn't put everything on there. We caught a lot of bluegill, and I didn't put all that on there. So, but we had a good time. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time. Peace.
I know I'm on the bottom. I can feel it.
Well, then you're in the right area. Well, you're coming back down, so yeah.
There it is.
Ah, no trout though. What'd you get? Looks like a. Well, what is that? Oh, it's a little rock bass. Hey, it's something. You got the first fish of the day.
Well, might be a little gill. It stuck a blue under the eye.
Yeah, it's something. It's brim. What's called brim.
Yeah.
It's panfish, whatever you want to call it. It's what. All right, man. Let's move down in.
Toss you down there.
You can just. Oh yeah. Well, here you can just come over here. Can you get it without snagging your crap? Pick your spot. You can go up there, there. I'll let you pick first.
I'll walk him down.
There you go.
I'm gonna go up here under this.
You get to pick it. Just, I'm letting you pick. Here, let me get you off. It's right here on the stupid weed, of course. All right, I got it. I'm good. I may be fat, but I walk enough streams to get this shit figured out. I'm sure this is gonna be bluegill heaven right here. We can toss our jig in there and see if you can get something. But oh, guess what? Finally got a fucking bass. Finally got a bass. Finally we get a bass out of the stream.
That's a nice one too.
Look at that boy, boy. Yeah. He was lurking in there, wasn't he? Wonder if that's the one that was up there. Guess about the size. Boy, he got in there too. Look, I was trying to get him. He wasn't going nowhere.
Where's your friend at?
Yeah.
9 and 2s.
There we go. First bass of the day. Well, besides your rock bass. I'll throw your jig in there so you catch him.
It counts.
There we got a little rainbow. Yay! Got the trout for the day, got a bass today, bluegill today. All right, let's get him back. He fought good too. There you go. Listen, dude. There you go. Get. You were the second one. He's not the bigger one that followed in the first time. They wanted that, whatever it was. Here we go. We're down this time. I'm in the water. Come on, fall. There we go. One sniffed it up. That's a bigger one. That's a bass. It's a baby bass. I see ya. Come here, you. Don't you dare get off of there. You can see how I'm hooked right now. Can you hold this? He's just a little guy, but still. He was something fun to catch. But he's hooked right here. And he got me wrapped up in his fucking stick. Catch of the day.
Just a wee little guy.
Look. Let him try to eat him.
Maybe it was Frank.
It's possible. But I don't think Frank would only do that a little bit. He got a bigger mouth than that. Oh, we have a suckerfish and this dumb my thing, and then he wrapped himself, so hopefully he don't break my line. Oh, he took it and then he got off and then he cooked himself. Look at it. When he did that jump. Here, you need that?
Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
Oh, I can't get it off. I'm trying to keep him from breaking my line. I was just kidding when I said, remember that carp that one time? I said, shit, that thing took a pink worm.
And it did. Come here, big guy.
That's a big old sucker. He barely fits in the net. Look at them suckers on that thing.
Alright. I gotta get a picture of that.
I can't believe that. I got on camera, so we're good. Ugh, so slimy. He was the big one too. Here, wake up, buddy. Look at him go. That's a fat son, isn't it? Ugh. All of his scales and stuff from him.
Yep, I'm going.
Yeah, I shouldn't try to eat that. He got it out. He just was flapping around and got caught back on his fin. So he almost got away. I was just going to say too, the trout magnet probably not going to hold him very well. And when he flicked in that water there, I thought for sure. I felt him pick it up. And I saw him move, and I'm like, that must be a bluegill. And then, as you know, when you pick up and you feel that weight, you're like, yeah, that's not a bluegill.